In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create notes in Microsoft Word. Creating notes in Word is a simple yet powerful way to organize your thoughts, summarize information, or keep track of important details while working on documents. Whether you're preparing for a meeting, studying, or drafting content, using notes can help you stay organized and improve your workflow. To start, open Microsoft Word and either create a new document or open an existing one where you want to add your notes. Once your document is open, decide where you want the notes to appear. Notes can be added directly in the text, in the margins, or as footnotes, depending on how you want them to be used. One of the most common ways to add notes is by using comments. Highlight the text you want to annotate or make a note about. Then go to the Review tab on the ribbon at the top of the Word window. In the Comments section, click on New Comment. A comment box will appear in the margin or in a pane on Chantin, the side of your document. You can type your note here, and it will remain linked to the specific text you highlighted. This is especially useful for collaborative documents, as other users can see your notes, reply to them, or mark them as resolved. Another way to create notes is by using footnotes. Place your cursor at the location where you want the note reference to appear, usually at the end of a sentence. Then, go to the References tab and click Insert Footnote. Word will automatically create a small numbered reference in the text and a corresponding space at the bottom of the page where you can type your note. Footnotes are particularly helpful when you need to provide additional information, citations, or clarifications without interrupting the main text flow. By using comments, footnotes, or text boxes, you can effectively create notes in Microsoft Word that suit your specific needs. These methods help keep your document organized, make important information easy to find, and provide a clear reference for yourself or others. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.